today though, oh boy, we're doing something awesome. It's going to be a lot of fun. The kids are involved, so this is technically homeschooling. We're going to use the pressure washer, you know, my trusty electric one, and the cheap foam attachment that is of the same brand, Will It Foam. Okay, so we're ready to get things going here. Who do I have here? Who are you?
Jackson.
Me, Jackson is here with us. Okay, run over there real quick. Get the foam gun. Okay, awesome, he's back. We have this guy. I don't know how much it was. It's overpriced for what I could have got on Amazon. It doesn't work as well what I could have got on Amazon with like a foam cannon thing. But hey, it is what it is. So what are we going to be putting into this? Well, the non-ionic surfactant. So that's enough. This is some pretty soapy stuff. Then, oh yeah, hopefully this will foam. Okay. Oh, it's leaking a little. Okay. So you guys are staying, this camera's staying here, but we have, hold this one up. What do we have here? What's that?
This camera.
Okay, we're gonna be using that one over there. This is our wide shot, and we're gonna do some other shots. Let's go see. So, will this foam? We're gonna find out real soon. Let's go. Okay. Do you wanna do this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hope I don't get dirty.
No, we won't. We're gonna go over here. Okay, here, give me that.
Okay.
We're gonna go over this way. Now put one hand up here. This is your trigger. Now hold on 1 second, okay? 1 second. Okay, point it that way. Okay, will this foam? Hope dry. It helps if I have the thing turned on. So, okay, we're gonna try again. So, Will, RGS with some surfactant foam. Let's go. Okay, let go. Not a whole lot. So, let's go over this way. Here, Jackson, come hold this guy. Disappointed in how this turned out. I didn't put a whole lot of soap because I didn't have a whole lot of surfactant left. But one thing though is it's a pretty cool way to apply RGS. Okay, we got to try something different. Okay, so let's see here. I can always get more non-ionic surfactant. I don't recommend doing this. Holy cow. This is an absolute utter this is messy. You like messy, Jackson?
Yeah.
Okay, come stand right over here, bud. Stand like right next to this black bit. Okay, we're shaking up good. Yeah, this totally does not work. This is not what I was anticipating. This giant, just like foam cannon of awesome. I guess a lot of it has to do with the design of this thing, and it's not, a really super awesome good foam cannon. But I'm disappointed. Are you disappointed, Jackson?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, hold on. I may need to actually dilute this down some. Look at this. It's chunked up. Maybe it was because the RGS and the non-ionic are not tank compatible. Never even thought about that beforehand. Hold on, let's add some water to this beast. Okay. We're back. Okay. I'm calling this a total absolute failure. If y'all can recommend a better foam cannon than this one here, under 40 or 50 bucks, let me know down in the comments, because I'll try this again. I'm pretty sure the mixing of the surfactant along with the RGS, I think that was a tank mix compatibility issue. We may try it again, if we can get a better foam cannon gun on, recommended. Also, if you have anything that is yard safe and people safe, RGS, it's not, super toxic. I'm not going to drink it all, but it doesn't hurt that it's on my skin. Anything like that, if you want to see if it'll foam, drop it in the comments below, because we're going to try it out this year, because I've got to have something to do now that school's closed and I'm a teacher. And I'm not good at teaching, I'm good at doing. So cool. Well, will it foam? No, this didn't, not today. Maybe again in the future. We'll see y'all later and try it again.